Did you know that there's a message from your angel, meant exclusively for you? Something deep and impactful is unfolding in your life, and it's no coincidence that you're here right now. There's a powerful connection, something greater, that ties you to someone close, almost as if you both knew deep down that success was inevitable. You feel that familiarity, don't you? As if you've always known that prosperity and fame were destined for you. Stay with me, because what I'm about to reveal might be exactly what you need to hear. Around this special person, you feel a different, almost tangible energy that seems to envelop and embrace every moment you share. There's something greater, an invisible force that appears to guide every step you take together, every decision you make, as if it were part of a plan that transcends understanding. Deep within your soul, this feeling grows, strong and unshakable, that everything is in its right place, as if the universe is conspiring to ensure you are exactly where you need to be. It's as if every challenge faced, every obstacle overcome in your lives, had a clear purpose, like pieces of a puzzle that now fit perfectly. The presence of this person by your side, who has also walked difficult paths, brings a deep understanding and a connection that gives meaning to everything you've lived through so far. Together, you don't just share the present, you're also building a future where every step is taken with the certainty that you're on the right path, following a rare and precious harmony. This union goes beyond the ordinary. It's not just a partnership, it's a connection that transcends, touching something much deeper. And this special connection brings with it the ability to turn dreams into reality. The dreams you hold in your heart, the deepest ones, seem within reach, as if they're just a step away from materializing. What you can achieve together is something extraordinary, something that isn't limited to material success, but encompasses all areas of life, promising full realization, true and lasting happiness. The most incredible thing is that this journey is not solitary. You are side by side, sharing every moment, every achievement, every challenge. This unique connection you have is a celebration of the union of your souls, a meeting that seems to have been written in the stars, destined to bring light and meaning to every aspect of your lives. Each moment you spend together is not just time shared, but a reaffirmation of this bond that illuminates your path, making your journey something very special, something that surpasses all previous experiences. When someone tries to get close to you or this special person, it's as if something invisible rises between you, creating an uncomfortable feeling, almost as if the presence of others could destabilize what is so singular and precious in your relationship. This reaction of withdrawal doesn't happen by chance. It's an instinctive form of protection, coming from a deep place within you. As you go through these situations together, whether in your relationship with this person or in any decision you need to make, it's crucial that you find balance. And this balance is not something that is chosen only with the mind. It's a vital need for both of you to grow and flourish together. The lesson here is clear. You need to discover the point of harmony where you can support each other, both in your individual journeys and in your joint path. This sense of support, that you are destined to walk side by side, is already within you, like a mark of a deep and special connection. It's a bond that seems to transcend time and space, as if it's rooted in something greater than yourselves, a kind of destiny that is unfolding right now, right before your eyes. Life seems to be bringing up memories of shared success, of wealth that goes beyond the material, touching the spiritual, and of recognition that you've already experienced together at some point, perhaps in a past existence. These same energies are beginning to resurface, creating a new opportunity for you to relive this connection and continue on a path of success, growth, and fulfillment together. You are, in fact, souls who have reunited to continue a story that began long ago, and the present moment is just another chapter in this joint journey. In this chapter, balance, mutual support, and deep connection are the keys that will open the doors to the next level of evolution and success, both individually and collectively. What you are experiencing now is not just a coincidence, but a reunion with a destiny that awaits you, full of potential to be realized if you continue to walk side by side, with the strength of this bond that is so strong and true. Do you know that feeling of being connected to someone in such a deep way that it seems impossible to explain? It's as if somehow you've already walked a path together before, in another time, in another life. The intensity of this bond is so great that it gives the impression that there's something greater involved, as if the universe itself had planned this reunion, a clear manifestation of a divine purpose that united your souls. When you look back at all the other relationships you've had, or at the different paths you could have taken, nothing seems to compare to this connection you share now. It's as if all those previous experiences were just rehearsals, necessary preparations for this moment, for you to be ready to live something so special. Every decision, every choice made in the past, no matter how fitting or happy they were, doesn't come close to the greatness of what you're experiencing together now. This is one of those connections that transcends everything physical, emotional, even rational. It's a spiritual connection that defies any logic, but that you feel with an unwavering certainty, deeply rooted in every part of your being. And no matter how many other options or possibilities exist in the world, nothing compares to what you have. It's as if all your previous lives had been a continuous search for this unique experience, and finally now, you found it. The feeling of being in the right place, at the right time, with the right person is so strong that it leaves no room for doubt. You know with all the certainty of the universe, that you're exactly where you should be, living what you should be living. This is a rare opportunity, perhaps a chance that only comes once in many lives, to experience something truly extraordinary. And when you meet, it's as if the entire universe conspired to make it happen, for this connection to finally manifest. There's no denying the depth and authenticity of what you're living. And this certainty that you were made for each other, that this reunion is the culmination of everything you've lived before, is what makes this experience so absolutely special and unique. When someone tries to approach you or this special person, it seems like something invisible stands in the way, instinctively pushing away anyone who gets too close. It's not a matter of fear or distrust, but because deep down, you both know that what you share is something profoundly sweet and unique. It's an experience so delicate that others simply wouldn't be able to understand or value it in the same way. This bond you have is like a sacred space, a place where you both find peace and comfort, something that only makes sense in each other's presence. Gradually, you begin to realize that this relationship is not just about being together physically. It brings a valuable lesson about balance and mutual support. You're not just sharing moments, but learning to support each other, to respect each other's limits and needs in a harmonious way. It's as if the universe had designed this connection to be a crucial part of both of your life journeys, something that goes far beyond simply being together. And what makes this person even more special is their gentleness, their way of being so sensitive. There's a tenderness in them that touches you deeply, making you feel an almost instinctive need to protect them. Even though you are also a sensitive person, it seems that their feelings are even more delicate, more susceptible to being hurt. This awakens in you a strong desire to care for them, to ensure they never feel hurt or abandoned. There is a mutual care between you, a tenderness that doesn't need words to be expressed. It's a silent understanding that what you have is valuable, something that deserves to be treated with the utmost care and respect. This person, with all their sweetness and sensitivity, touches your heart in a way that no one else has, making you value this connection in a unique way. Being together is not just a blessing, it's the realization of something profoundly special and meaningful. Together, you have something rare and true, something that deserves to be cherished and nurtured with all the love and care in the world. It's no coincidence that this person appeared in your life. You crossed paths for a reason that goes beyond what we can see or understand at first glance. This connection, this bond, is special, unique, something that doesn't happen every day. From the beginning, even if it seemed like something simple, almost trivial, you felt deep down that there was something more, something that can't be easily explained. It's as if this person was already known, familiar in some way. Maybe from some other time, another life, who knows? What matters is that this feeling of familiarity is not just imagination. It's real. And that's exactly what makes this relationship so different from any other. It's not just a common feeling, it's something that stirs deep inside, in the heart and soul. The love you share is something that goes far beyond the ordinary. It's a connection that few are lucky enough to experience. It's not the kind of love you see everywhere. It's a deep, unique feeling that escapes the understanding of those who look from the outside. Maybe that's a blessing because what you have is rare and precious, something that needs to be kept and protected with all care, as if it were an intimate secret that only belongs to the two of you. It's not that you're trying to hide what you feel, but that this special connection deserves to be treated with respect and delicacy. What you have is too valuable to be exposed carelessly. The connection between you is not based solely on physical attraction or something that will fade over time. What unites you is something that started discreetly, almost imperceptibly, but that gradually gained strength, growing in meaning and depth. This love, which at first seemed shy, is now a firm rock, resistant to any storm that may arise. Not just any challenge is going to shake this bond you've built together. What you have is something that goes beyond time, transcending what is visible or tangible. It is present in every look, every gesture, every word you exchange. The love you share is a precious gift from the universe, a rare and special gift. It's not just a fleeting feeling, but a deep connection that should be nurtured with all the affection and dedication. Every day, this flame needs to be fed with acts of affection, understanding, and respect, as that's how it grows and strengthens. You've been blessed with something that many people spend their entire lives searching for, without ever finding it. It's not just an ordinary relationship, it's a union of souls, a connection that transcends time and difficulties. This love you have is a true privilege, a blessing that must be cultivated and preserved with all care. It's a powerful force, capable of overcoming any barrier, any challenge that life may place in your path. Looking at what you have, it's impossible not to recognize how special this relationship is. It's the kind of love we all wish for, a genuine and sincere connection that makes us feel complete and fulfilled. You are living proof that true love exists, and that when found, it must be treated as the priceless treasure it is. Life has placed you on each other's paths, and now it's up to you to value and protect this gift. Don't let the small difficulties of everyday life overshadow the brilliance of this pure and true feeling. Always remember that what you have is rare, and every moment together is an opportunity to strengthen this bond even more. Take care of this love with all the attention, because it is the foundation of everything good and true in life. And know that as long as you continue to nurture this connection, it will only become stronger and more enduring, resisting any storm that may arise. Your love is undoubtedly one of the greatest gifts you could have received, and it deserves to be celebrated every day. Allow your spirit to absorb these words and feel them resonate deeply within you. The universe desires the best for you and will ensure a positive outcome, no matter what your decision may be. Type, "I receive and accept my destiny and everything the universe has to offer me" to claim this message and the blessings contained in it for yourself. Leave a positive comment for other viewers who may need a boost of positivity in their day. The universe sees this as an act of kindness. Let's lift each other up and create waves of good energy together. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, subscribe now and stay tuned for the important message that awaits you in the next video. May God and the universe illuminate your path with peace, love, and faith. Amen.